Hi, I'm Stephanie with WTI, and I'm here with an AISPORTS replacement Fitbit band. And this has been great for me because I love my Fitbit, but I also like being able to change it out and have different styles. This turquoise is my fave. It goes with so many of my outfits. I get complimented on it all the time. And because it's made out of such a nice material, it doesn't irritate my skin. It stays looking new for a long time. I've had this one for months and it looks like just the same as when I first got it. Also, I have wrists on the wider side and it has enough options to accommodate all wrist sizes, rather small or a little wider like me. I also appreciate the ease that you can change the Fitbit. Some of the ones you have to use a screw and it takes a little more time. It's a tad tedious, but this one you can pop the Fitbit on and out very easily. So that way you just one motion and you're good to go. So I would highly recommend it and don't hesitate to get your own. But that's just my point of view.